Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode we are going to make a job system. So let's get started. As always, you can find all the models I use in the description for free. So if you're too lazy to follow the tutorial, just go and get them. So right here, before we start, you need to insert 3 different things. You can find it in the description. So we have our work GUI, our job GUI, and our setup. Let's go ahead and insert a folder into workspace. Let's rename it to computers. Let's drag our setup into the computers tab or folder, and we can add as many as we want. It does not matter. Now we have several computers, and we can get started with our scripts. Let's go over to replicated storage and let's insert a remote event. Let's call it correct answer. And let's create leader stats, which are the on the leaderboard you can see a little score called money. So we want to add that. So first we need to get the players service. We want to get the player that joins, and we want to make a folder inside that player. We name the folder leader stats. And inside the folder, we want to add a value without any commas or no decimals whatsoever. We want to set the index to 1, and then we set the parent money folder, the folder's parent to the player. Now let's rename the script to leader stats. Let's just go ahead and see what that looks like real quick. As you can see, we have our money now. Don't worry about this error right here. It's nothing to do with me. It's just Roblox messing up. I don't know. Anyways, we have our money now. So now we can go into the work GUI and insert a local script. Let's rename it to local work handler. Here we go. So first we want to get the replicated storage service, which is where our answer event is at, and the screen service for animations for the interface. We also want to get the event, which is under replicated storage. And let's just set the variable for our parent because that's easier for us. And we also want to get our player and our character. We also want to get job GUI, which is this other GUI right here. So it's this, there we go, which is under player.player GUI. We push out job GUI. We also want to get the container, which is inside the job GUI. Container equals job GUI. We push out container. We also want to get computers, which are under workspace. We want to create a function for checking if the answer the player has clicked on is correct. No, never mind, that's not what this function is for. We want to make a function to randomize, because we will have 4 buttons. One of them will be right, and the 3 others will be false. So right here we are just creating fake buttons. So that's what we are doing. We also want to make a function for calculating a random calculation. So we need 2 numbers. So let's just duplicate this and rename it to number 2. And we can loop through the old buttons because the display might be working for more than just one calculation. So we want to make sure the old calculation is gone. So if this button is a button, we want to remove it. We want to get the answer of our randomized calculation thing. So that's what we're doing right here. And we want to set the label, the text of this question label that I made to the question that we have. So number 1, dot, dot, plus, dot, dot, number 2, dot, dot, equals what, dot, dot. And we want to make sure our frame is not visible yet. And now we want to get 3 fake buttons. So, and inside this script, you should have this answer button. You can find it in the description as well. Just you have all the interfaces in the description, including this one. So you should already have this script here, but empty with this button inside. So we want to get this button. And it's important that the fake button's value is not the same as the real value, because that will just mess everything up. So we want to loop and create a randomized value until it's not the same one as the real one. We also want to make the correct button, not just the one, so on. And the order of the buttons has been randomized, so you cannot find the answer. We also want to make a 3D so that it slowly animates press that. Because if we don't have any animations, the player can just spam the same button all over. Just spam the button again and again and again and get infinite money. And we want that to have a cooldown. But instead of actually just doing a cooldown, we will have it animate, so they might not notice it so much. Over here, we're just randomly making the buttons appear. And of course, we could just do find all the buttons and just make one animation for each of them. But if we do it that way, we will always know what the real answer is, because the real button is added last, and we will also see that, because so we have to do it random. If the script says that our answer is the same as the correct answer, we will then let the server know that the player clicked the right button, and then we want to do one more check, but on the server side, to make sure the player is not cheating or anything like that. So. We also want to make two functions for closing and opening our Java interface. We are getting close to the end of our script. We want to check if the chairs are being sat on. If they are, we want to show the what's called the interface. So if there is an occupant, we're going to show the screen. And if there's not, that means the player just jump off the chair, and then we will hide it. So. Oh, that was not one. It was. Okay, so that is our local work handler, and now we just have to make one small script under server script service called work handler. Let's just get our replicated storage service once again, and of course the event which is inside it. And you have two variables, one called money low and one called money high. So basically, the amount of money the player gets from one correct answer is between these two numbers. So okay, so that's how that works. So you can just change them if you want. One more thing I want to do in the local work handler script is when we close the when we open the interface, actually, we want to make sure the earning label is set to 0. So container Google dot earning label dot text equals 0. Let's see if this works as intended. So I sit down, and this current shift pops up, 18, boom, I got $33. Now I will press the wrong button, and it will not work. And I don't have sound on, I'm just recording for the application, but it does play a success and error sound. So boom, 23, 30, 13. It's not too fast to just spam in one place. You don't get too much money, so that's good. And I jump off the chair, the screen is gone, I sit back down, and I get a new shift and new tasks, and I can do this on every single computer. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video.